Hey guys, welcome to part 4 of our Eiken 2 series. Today we're going to look at another question that Eiken testers ask their testees. And what I mean by that is people taking the test. This question popped up in a previous test, so let's look at it together, okay? Let's look at this question. These days, many people take vacations abroad. Do you think that taking vacations abroad is better than taking vacations in your own country? Yes or no? Please explain. Okay. Well, I will give you 10 seconds, just like in the test, to think about your answer. Go ahead. Okay, well, let's say time's up, all right? Now, I'm going to say two answers that the Eiken testers were given in order to compare their answers to yours. Now, if you had said yes, this would have been a good example. People can learn about other cultures by going abroad. Also, many travelers enjoy trying new foods. I think that's a pretty good answer. But if you had said no, here's another good example for that. There are a lot of nice places to visit in Japan. Also, Japan has different kinds of traditional festivals to see. That's also a pretty good answer. I know I've traveled around Japan a lot and seen many traditional festivals. Okay, so how did your answer compare to those? Would you like to give it another try? I'd recommend going back to the beginning of the video and listening to this one more time. And also, if you can, another good idea to practice would be to check out our first, second, and third video in this installment. Alright guys, well, I'll see you next time. Bye.